I learned how to brew as a teenager, and it piqued my interest. And when I went to school to be a fabricator, it just kind of naturally progressed from there. I worked at some of the giants from Alpha Laval to some of the little guys here locally, and learned the trade from the ground up. And it's been really good to do it hands-on and learn through experience, and develop products as brewers want them, as opposed to how the industry just expects them to be. Bridgetown has grown exponentially since we started a few years ago. We've gone from a small shop, no bigger than a 2-car garage, to a 4,000 plus square foot facility, and we just keep getting busier. Mostly the changes that have been made to brew houses in particular is just that you had a set package and you were stuck with it, and it could only do certain things. Well, now you're able to get multiple vessel systems with different functions, and basically changes that meet the needs of the customer's individual brewing style. And distilleries have changed quite a bit too, because it was kind of a thing where you had to order a still and it worked in just a certain way, and it couldn't be changed. But now, the way we manufacture anyways, is that our equipment can be upgraded and added onto. So you start with a base and you can build from there, or you can go for the whole thing from the start.
Well, the process of walking a customer through that's looking at purchasing a brewery would be, the sizing of it, what type is it going to be? Is it going to be a direct fire system, or is they going to have a boiler on site for steam system? The sizing, how big they're going to go, how much are they going to be a 24/7 brewery or a specialty brewery? How much cold room tanks are required for what their expectations are, and just answer any questions that they might have, or some questions that they may not have thought of. My personal motto for the company, I guess, if you will, is the devil is in the details. I like taking the little things that to most people may not notice or may not see, and give them a little extra pizzazz, give them a little extra finish work. Think of the process of what they're going to work it, and make it a little easier for them. Really, the devil is in the details.
We've had a few customers who've expanded from their first system, and more or less they come to me with the idea of, here's where I am and here's where I want to be. Lucky for us, most of the time we already know where they're at because we've supplied them their first system. And at that point, it's really easy to work with them, because you've already built a relationship with them, you know them personally, and we can accommodate their needs quite easily that way. I really see the distilling thing taking off a lot more than it has. We've done, a few distilleries, and they're proving to be, working quite well, and the businesses are doing well, making fabulous products. I really think that that's kind of the next wave of the beverage industry, along with cider and a couple other things. But distilling is really taking off fast, and it presents huge opportunities for us, as well as communities trying to get people together around a glass.